So exercise 8.4 in that question number 5, first portion. That is, prove the following identities where the angles involved are acute angles for which the expressions are defined. So we have to consider LHS and we have to prove it as equal to RHS. Or you can consider RHS, prove it as equal to LHS. So we will take this first portion, cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square. So here minus cot theta. Okay, this is whole square. So cosecant can be written as 1 by sin theta minus here cos theta divided by sin theta. Okay. So now LCM will be sin theta. So 1 minus cos theta. This is square and this is square. So I have removed this one. So here this can be written as 1 minus cos theta whole square can be written as 1 minus cos theta and 1 minus cos theta. Also you can write. Okay. So here sin square theta can be written as, here we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Okay. So here this can be written as 1 minus cos square theta. Okay. So now here 1 minus cos theta. Okay. This is 1 minus cos theta. So here this can be written as, you see here, this is a square minus b square. That is 1 square minus cos square then can be written. So a square minus b square can be written as a plus b into a minus b. That is 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. You can write. Because see, a square minus b square formula. That is a plus b into a minus b. So in this way, 1 square minus cos square theta. A is equal to 1 here. A is equal to 1. B is equal to cos theta. Okay. So here 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta cancel. So remaining will be 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. So this is equal to RHS. So now we will go for next one. Here second portion. This can be taken as LCM. Okay. So cos A into cos A divided by 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A divided by cos A. So here this LCM we will take here. That is cos A into 1 plus sin A. Okay, sin A. Okay, not sin square, sin A. So here this one be cos square A, because 1 plus sin A into cos A, cos A into cos A, cos square A, plus 1 plus sin A. This is square. So this is considered LHS. Okay. So here now cos square A plus, here you see A plus B whole square. That is A square plus B square. Okay, plus 2AB, that is 2 into 1 into sin A. So here divide by cos A plus sin A into cos A. Okay, here we will write this cos square A plus sin square A equal to 1. 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Okay, 2 plus 2 into sin A. So here this one we have expanded here. Okay, let it be cos A into 1 plus sin A only. Cos A I have taken common. So here now next 2 plus 2 sin A means 2 taken common, that is 1 plus sin A is remaining, whole divided by cos A into 1 plus sin A. Okay, this gets cancelled. So divide by 2 divided by cos A is remaining. So this can be written as 2 into 1 by cos A. So here 2 into secant A. 1 by cos can be written as secant A. So this is equal to RHS. So here prove that the following identities. Say tan theta divided by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta divided by 1 minus tan theta. So that is equal to 1 plus secant theta into cosecant theta. Write expression in terms of sin theta and cos theta. Okay, this is a hint he has given. Okay. So here tan theta can be written as sin theta divided by cos theta. Okay. Whole divided by, so 1 minus cot theta can be written as cos theta by sin theta. So this can be written like this. So plus, so cot theta is cos theta divided by sin theta. Whole divided by 1 minus tan theta means that is sin theta divided by cos theta. Because he has given hint as sin theta and cos theta we have to use. So now here sin theta divided by cos theta divided by here LCM. So sin theta, here sin theta minus cos theta. Okay. So plus cos theta divided by sin theta whole divided by cos theta minus sin theta divided by cos theta. Okay, so here this can be written as sin theta divided by cos theta into, so sin theta divided by sin theta minus cos theta. Okay, so this we have simplified. So here this is cos theta divided by sin theta into cos theta divided by cos theta minus sin theta. Okay, so here this is sin square theta divided by cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Okay, so plus here cos square theta divided by sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta. So you see here sin theta minus cos theta is there, so cos theta minus sin theta is. So to make equal we will take minus as common here. So sin square theta divided by this I will write as it is, so sin theta minus cos theta. So here minus I will take, so that cos square theta divided by, see here, sin theta into sin theta minus cos theta I will write, because here this minus if we take outside, okay, so this will become the plus and this will become minus. Okay, so sin theta I have written first, sin theta minus cos theta, so this minus will be shifted here. Okay, so in this way I have written. So you observe now sin theta minus cos theta, this is one term and this is another term, that is sin theta into cos theta, so that this LCM can be written, that is sin theta minus cos theta into sin theta into cos theta. This is LCM. Okay, see cos theta into sin means sin theta will be there here, sin cube theta minus, okay, cos cube theta, like this. So here a cube minus b cube formula, this is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. This we know. Okay, you apply it here. So a minus b, that is a minus b means sin theta minus cos theta. Okay, so into here a square plus ab plus b square. A square means sin square theta plus b square means cos square theta plus here ab means sin theta into cos theta. Okay, so divided by, so this is equal to, so here this is bracket, so sin theta minus cos theta. Okay, so now here sin theta into cos theta, sin theta into cos theta. So here this sin theta minus cos theta, sin theta minus cos theta cancel, and this sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Okay, this is equal to 1. So 1 plus sin theta into cos theta divided by sin theta into cos theta. So here this can be written as, here what is the RHS? You see here 1 plus secant theta into cosecant theta, 1 plus secant theta. So here this can be written as, see, 1 divided by sin theta into cos theta plus sin theta cos theta divided by sin theta into cos theta. Okay, this gets cancelled. So here this I will write first, that is 1 plus 1 divided by sin theta into 1 divided by cos theta. This can be written like this. So 1 plus 1 by sin theta means cosecant theta, 1 by cos theta means secant theta. Okay, you see this is equal to RHS, 1 plus cosecant theta into secant theta. Yeah, this one. So now we will go for next one. So exercise 8.4 in that question number 5, fourth portion. So simplify LHS and RHS separately. So 1 plus secant theta, that is 1 plus secant theta can be written as cos theta, that is A here. So here this is 1 by cos A. Okay, so LHS I have considered here. So 1 plus 1 by cos A means cos A plus 1 divided by cos A. So whole divided by 1 by cos A means this is cos A divided by 1. So this gets cancelled. So 1 plus cos A is remaining here. Okay, so this is LHS. So RHS I will take. So he has given hint. So sin square A divided by 1 minus cos A. So we know that sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. So sin square A can be written as 1 minus cos square A. Okay, here sin square can be written as 1 minus cos square A divided by 1 minus cos square, 1 minus cos A. So here see this one we have written in the last example, that is this is 1 square minus cos square A, that is A square minus B square formula. So this is equal to A minus B and A plus B. So we will substitute here 1 minus cos A divided by 1 plus cos A. So whole divided by 1 minus cos A. Okay. So this is equal to this gets cancelled. So this is equal to 1 plus cos A. So you see here this is also same and this is also same. Hence both are same. So 8.4 question number 5 in that fifth portion. This we have to solve using the identities cosecant square is equal to 1 plus cot square. Consider LHS portion, that is left hand side. So here cos A minus cos of A minus sin of A plus 1 divided by cos of A plus sin of A minus 1. So here you see we have to use cosecant and cot means, so we have given only cos and sin. So anything we have to convert it into cot or cosecant. So here let us see this one cot will convert. So to convert it into cot, so cos by sin is equal to cot. So we will divide this whole equation, that is 1 by sin A, into this one. See what happens. So cos A minus sin A plus 1. Okay. So 1 by sin A if you multiply here, so cos A by sin A will be cot A. Okay. So that we can solve for that one. So here also in the denominator also we have to multiply 1 by sin A. So here cos of A plus sin of A minus 1. So now we will simplify here. So here cos A divided by sin A. Cos A divided by sin A minus sin A divided by sin A. So plus 1 divided by sin A. Okay. So whole divided by, so cos A divided by sin A. Okay. Minus sin A divided by sin A. Sorry, this is plus. Okay. Minus 1 divided by sin A. Okay. So now here cos A by sin A will be cot of A minus this will be cancelled, equal to 1 plus cosecant A. Okay. So divided by, here also cot A plus 1, this will be cancelled, minus cosecant A. Okay. So now that is cot A plus cosecant A minus 1. So minus 1 I have written last. So here also, so cot A plus 1 minus cosecant A I have written as it is. So here we will substitute the one value, because here he has given cosecant square A is equal to 1 plus cot square A. So here cosecant square A minus cot square A is equal to 1. So this one value we will substitute this one. So now here we will replace this one with, this cosecant square A minus cot square A. So here cot of A plus cosecant A minus, here this will be cosecant square A minus cot square A. Okay. So this one divided by cot of A plus 1 minus cosecant A. So here you see A square minus B square. So A square minus B square formula. So this can be written as A plus B into A minus B. Okay. So here cot of A plus cosecant A minus, here cosecant A plus cot A. Okay. And here cosecant A minus cot A. This is A plus B, A minus B. Okay. So now the denominator will be as it is, cot A plus 1 minus cosecant A. So now here after this, so here you can observe this one, this cot A plus cosecant A, this also here it is there, here cot A plus cosecant A, this one and this one. We will take common in these two terms, that is cot A plus cosecant A. This I have taken common. So whatever the remaining, so this is 1 minus here this one, cosecant A minus cot A, okay, like this. So denominator will be same, cot A plus 1 minus cosecant A. So here you see cot of A plus cosecant A, here 1 minus cosecant A plus cot A, okay, divided by, you see here this can be written as 1 minus cosecant A plus cot A, no? Okay, like this. So this and this will be gets cancelled. So remaining will be cot of A plus cosecant A. Okay, so this is equal to RHS. You see here, this is cosecant A plus cot A. Okay, so now we will go for next one. So exercise 8.4, question number 5 in that sixth portion. So we have to prove this one is equal to this one, that is LHS equal to RHS. So consider LHS. So here square root of 1 plus sin A divided by 1 minus sin A. So here rationalize we can do. So here multiply and divide 1 plus sin A. Okay, here 1 plus sin A. The value will be remain same, that is multiply and divide by 1 plus sin A, because in the numerator it is 1 minus sin A. This is equal to, see here, 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A, that is 1 plus sin A whole square, okay, divided by A minus B, A plus B, that is equal to A square minus B square, that is 1 square minus sin square A. So this is equal to, this is under root. So here 1 plus sin A whole square divided by, here 1 minus sin square A equal to cos square A, because we know that sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1 from the identities. Okay, so hence 1 minus sin square, this is 1 minus sin square A equal to cos square A. So this is under root. Okay, so here this can be written as 1 plus sin A divided by cos A. This square we can make. So this is square root. So square root and square will be gets cancelled. So remaining will be 1 plus sin A divided by cos A. Okay, this can be written as here 1 divided by cos A plus sin A divided by cos A. So here 1 by cos A is nothing but secant A. Okay, plus sin by cos equal to tan A. So this is equal to RHS. So this is RHS. Okay, so now we will take up next one, that is seventh one, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so here sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta. So here in this we will take, that is consider LHS. Okay, here from this we will take sin theta common, sin theta. So 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Okay, divided by, so here cos theta will take common, cos theta. So here 2 cos square theta minus 1. Okay, this portion, that is sin theta by cos theta, can be written as here tan theta. Okay, so here remaining is 1 minus 2 sin square theta divided by 2 cos square theta minus 1. So here this cos square theta can be written as 1 minus of sin square theta. So this is equal to tan theta into 1 minus 2 sin square theta numerator as it is. So 2 into 1 minus sin square theta minus 1. Okay, tan theta is equal to tan theta into, that is 1 minus 2 sin square theta divided by 2 minus here 2 sin square theta minus 1. So 2 minus 1 will be 1 only, that is tan theta into 1 minus 2 sin square theta divided by 2 minus 1 is 1. So 1 minus 2 sin square theta. So this and this gets cancelled. So remaining will be tan theta. So this is equal to RHS. Okay. So here. So we will go for next one. So exercise 8.4, question number 5 in that 8th one. So consider LHS. Consider LHS. So here sine of A plus cosecant A whole square. So this we will simplify. Okay. So A plus B whole square, that is equal to sine square A plus cosecant square A plus 2 sine A into cosecant A. Okay. Then plus this one. This is also A plus B whole square formula. So here cos square A plus secant square A plus 2 into cos A into secant A. So here this can be written as this one sin square A plus cos. This I will write as it is sin square A plus cosecant square A plus here 2 sin A, and this cosecant A can be written as 1 divided by sin A. Okay. So in the same way cos square A plus secant square A plus 2 into cos A into 1 divided by cos A. So here secant can be written. So cos A cancel, sin A cancel. So here remaining will be sin square A plus here this one I will bring this one cos square A here, cos square A. Okay. Plus here cosecant square A, secant square A, cosecant square A plus secant square A. So plus this is 2 and this is 2, that is plus 2 plus 2. Okay. So now here this is 1, sin square A plus cos square equal to 1. Okay. So 1 plus 2 plus 2, that is 5, plus here cosecant square A plus secant square A. Okay. So here cosecant square is equal to, we know that cosecant square minus cot square A is equal to 1. Okay. So here cosecant square A is equal to 1 plus cot square A. Okay. So in the same way here secant square A minus tan square A is equal to 1. So hence secant square A is equal to 1 plus tan square A. Okay. So this is 1, this is 1. So we will substitute here. Cosecant square will be replaced as 1 plus cot square here. So here 5 plus, this can be written as 1 plus cot square A. And here secant square can be written as 1 plus tan square A. 1 plus tan square A. So here 5 plus 1 plus 1, 7. 7 plus, okay, tan square A plus cot square A. So this is equal to RHS. So this has been proved. So next exercise 8.4 in that question number 5, ninth portion. So cosecant A minus sin A into secant A minus cos A. So which is equal to 1 divided by tan A plus cot A. Here hint he has given, simplify LHS and RHS separately. So now consider LHS now. First consider LHS. Okay. So here cosecant A minus sin of A into secant A minus cos of A. So cosecant A can be written as 1 by sin A. So this is sin A as it is. So here secant can be written as 1 by cos A minus cos A. Okay. So here this is LCM. Sin A will be LCM. So 1 minus here sin A, that is sin square A. Sin square A into 1 minus C LCM, again this is cos A will be LCM, 1 minus cos square A. So here 1 minus sin square A will be, what is this? That is sin square A plus cos square A, which is equal to 1. So 1 minus sin square A, that is this will be sent to this side, that is 1 minus sin square A will be equal to cos square A. Here cos square A divided by sin of A. So here 1 minus cos square A equal to sin square A divided by cos A. So 1 cos A and 1 cos A cancel. Sin A and sin A will be cancelled. So here remaining will be cos A into sin A, that is sin A into cos A. So this is LHS answer. So we will take up this RHS also. Okay. So 1 divided by, this is consider RHS. 1 divided by, see here tan A can be written as sin A divided by cos A, plus cot A can be written as cos A divided by sin A. So here LCM we will take, so 1 divided by, so sin A into cos A is the LCM. Okay. So cos A into sin A means sin square A. This is sin square A plus here cos square A. Okay. So now we will reverse this. Sin A into cos A will be above numerator divided by sin square A plus cos square A. See here this one is equal to 1. So this is equal to sin A into cos A. Okay, this will be RHS. So you compare LHS with RHS. So they are equal. Hence it is proved. Okay, we'll go for next one. So exercise 8.4, question number 5 in that 10th option. So here consider LHS. Okay, consider LHS here. See here two portions are there. 1 plus tan square A divided by 1 plus cot square A, which is equal to 1 minus tan A divided by 1 minus cot A whole square, and which is also equal to tan square A. So both this side equal to both this one and this one. We have to show it to equal to tan square A. So consider this portion here. So 1 plus tan square A, here we wanted to show it in terms of tan means, so we will convert this cot into tan. So 1 plus, here cot can be converted into tan means 1 by tan square A. Okay, so like this. So now 1 plus tan square A divided by LCM will be tan square A. So here 1 plus tan A, that is 1 plus tan A. So here 1 plus tan square A into tan square A divided by 1 plus tan A. Here 1 plus tan square A. Okay, this one. This is LCM 1 plus tan square A. This is 1 plus tan square A, tan square A. Here 1 plus tan square A and 1 plus tan square A. Both will be gets cancelled. So remaining will be tan square A will be remain. Okay, this is equal to RHS. This is equal to RHS. So we will consider this one. Okay, 1 minus tan A divided by 1 minus cot of A. This is whole square. Okay, so here again this cot can be converted into tan. 1 minus tan A divided by 1 minus 1 divided by tan of A. So this is whole square. So here this one is equal to 1 minus tan A. Okay, divided by, this is tan A minus 1. Tan A minus 1 divided by tan A. This is square. So this is equal to 1 minus tan A whole divided by 1 into tan A divided by tan A minus 1. Okay. So here this is square. So here this can be written as, you see, this is 1 minus tan A, but this is tan A minus 1. Okay. See here 1 minus tan A into tan A, I will write as it is. Okay. This is tan A divided by minus of 1 minus of tan A, I will write like this. Okay. So minus 1 plus tan A. Here minus 1 plus tan A. So now this and this will be gets cancelled. Of course this is square. Okay. So remaining will be, see here, tan A divided by minus 1, that is minus tan A. This is square. So when you square this one, this will become tan square A only. Okay. So this is equal to RHS. Okay. Thank you.